Okay, I have a question for you. When you think of your ideal day at work, what does it look like? Is it filled with deep focus and meaningful tasks? Or is it a flurry of activity where you're just putting out fires and checking off emails? Because for the longest time, my ideal day looked like the latter. Busy, chaotic, a little bit stressful. But I thought that's what being productive was supposed to look like. So I pushed through, powering my way from meeting to meeting, task to task. And then a few months ago, I realized something strange. I was doing the same work as always, but it felt harder. Mornings were slower. I made more mistakes. I felt zero motivation, and I couldn't figure out why. I thought I was burned out. Maybe this job just wasn't for me. But then I changed just one habit, and everything shifted. Every morning before opening emails or checking messages, I started doing this. Writing down 3 priorities for the day. That's it. No fancy planner, no productivity app, just a sticky note on my desk. And every morning I would ask myself, what 3 things will actually make today feel successful? Then I'd write them down in order of importance. And suddenly something magical happened. I stopped reacting to everyone else's chaos. I worked with clarity. Meetings felt purposeful. Tasks felt doable. And when I finished those 3, the day felt like a win, no matter what else came up. You see, before this, my days were filled with low-level stress. I felt like I was constantly one step behind. But when I started setting just 3 priorities each day, I reclaimed control of my schedule. I stopped feeling like a victim to circumstance. And the best part, it didn't take long to build this new habit. In fact, it only took 21 days to become automatic. So if you're feeling stuck or unproductive, try this tiny habit. It doesn't have to be a big life change. Just one small shift that you control. You can do it. I believe in you. Let's go.